Hey, hi everyone. In today's video, we'll learn how to upload your subtitle file for your YouTube video. Also, do check out the YouTube Launch Playbook, which is written with pure intent to help YouTube beginners know all the tips and tricks with screenshots and step by step guide to set up and launch your channel the right way and also grow it in a way that is very organic. The link is in the video description. Now, you might have created various videos and you want to add subtitles in different languages for your video. Like you might be creating a video in your native language and you want to add English subtitle or some different subtitles for your videos to increase your reach. To do that, go to your YouTube studio, right? And for any video for which you want to add the subtitle, just click on it. So I'll just click on it for demo purposes. Now, when you do that, on the left hand side over here, click on languages. One very important point, what I mean to say is, you should already have prepared your subtitle file in the eligible format, that is SRT, right? And that should be saved on your system. If you want to know how you can create one using a free tool, check this video I have linked over here on how you can generate a subtitle file for your video. That being said, now once you are done that, you can click on add language over here, select the language which you want, and now you can see you can add any title and description for it, and then click on manual subtitles add. Over here you will have to upload the file. Remember, it cannot be in txt format or a word document format, it has to be in srt format. Once you upload that, the subtitles will upload and appear on your video, and it will be saved and appear in this table under translations, right? So this is the way you can upload a srt file, a subtitle file in your existing video, right? The video should already been uploaded, and once it is done, it will appear over here. Whatever title and description which you have given any language, that will appear over here, and it will show if it has been published. I hope this was useful. If you have found the video useful, do like and subscribe to our channel YouTube with Saave.